Select offering type. The process of creating the offering is same for all the offering types, except few differences which we will be specifying on the step-by-step guide ahead. Begin by selecting the offering type option from the available offering types. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Add mandatory details. Fill in the required fields to ensure your course is set up properly. Offering title. Give your course a name that's clear, catchy, and descriptive. Description. Write a brief overview of what your course covers and why it matters. For a more comprehensive and engaging offering, consider completing these optional fields. Learning outcomes. Define what attendees will gain from this course. Highlight key skills, knowledge, or transformations they can expect. Attendees who can attend. Specify who this course is designed for, such as beginners, professionals, or advanced learners. Define offering category. Select the category that best fits your course. Note, this step is mandatory and helps users easily find your course in relevant searches. Assign a trainer. Assign a trainer if a team member will be conducting or facilitating the course. Adding a trainer ensures learners know who will guide them through their learning journey. Upload media. Make your course visually appealing by adding media assets. Banner image. Upload a high-quality image that meets the specified dimensions to create a professional first impression. Introduction video. Include a short video to welcome attendees and explain what they can expect from the course. Video thumbnail. Add a polished thumbnail to represent the video. Additional information. If more details are available, add the offering website link to provide additional context or resources for prospective attendees. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Save to finalize your setup.